Hey everybody, just bought a new Metroplex a little while ago. I have two of these now, and now that I have both of them, I can actually start the build I've been wanting to do. Now, part of the plan was that I'm taking this and I'm completely disassembling and I'm putting them in a permanent vehicle mode, building the second one into a diorama that'll be about 4 feet by 2 feet, and it'll feature him in a permanent robot mode as well, in a static battle going on. So it originally started as the diorama, but then I really wanted to see what I could do with taking that new Titan I'm building and putting him into a permanent vehicle mode. So I want to take him apart and see how this guy is get put together. I heard there's some lights and sounds in this or something, a battery pack. I haven't seen it or even be able to make it work yet, but I haven't really looked into it. So I'm hoping that eventually, I'll find out how that works. But the goal is to take the arms off and kind of put them back here, and I want to kind of lower the torso down a little bit. So, and then I want to change this into something completely different, as well as this part of it. The wheels will be taken off, the head will be taken off, and all that. The final mode will be a space cruiser, battleship kind of a thing. I got a story going on behind it that I'll tell you about later. So anyway, I'm gonna take this bad boy apart and see how he works. All right, take it easy. Cheers.